Most people assume that once a tooth is damaged, that's it. The decay is there, the drill comes out and something gets filled or removed. After 40 years in clinical practice, I want to offer you a more complete picture. I'm Marc Mortiboys, holistic and biological dentist. Your tooth enamel is the hardest substance your body produces. Enamel does not contain living cells. Once it's lost, your body cannot regenerate it. That's the honest part of the story. The surface of your enamel, even though it contains no living cells, is in a constant state of chemical exchange with your saliva. That exchange is called remineralisation, and it is one of the most underappreciated processes in oral health. Every day, acids produced by bacteria in your mouth and acids from the food and drink you consume draw minerals out of your enamel. This is called demineralisation. It happens to everyone, every single day. What matters is what happens next. You see, your saliva contains minerals, calcium and phosphate, the same minerals your enamel is made from. And when the acid environment in your mouth is neutralized, those minerals can be redeposited back into the enamel surface, repairing early microscopic damage before it progresses into something visible or symptomatic. Research published in the Journal of Dental Research has shown that early stage enamel lesions can be remineralized under the right conditions. This is not fringe science, it's well documented. So what does supporting remineralization actually look like? The first is saliva. Buffers acids, delivers minerals and helps maintain the microbial balance of your oral environment. Anything that reduces saliva flow, certain medications, mouth breathing, chronic dehydration. The second is the bacterial environment. The more sugar your oral bacteria have to consume, the more acid they produce. Reducing the frequency of sugar exposure, not necessarily eliminating it entirely, gives your mouth more opportunity to recover between acid challenges. The third is your daily oral care routine. Areas of a toothbrush, they just cannot reach often the areas where bacterial accumulation and therefore acid reduction is almost persistent. The Dental Shaman ozone water flosser that I branded and modified is designed to reach those interdental spaces in the gum line with ozone infused water. Ozone has a well-documented ability to reduce harmful bacterial populations without disrupting significantly the beneficial organisms that your mouth depends on. And used consistently as part of a daily routine, it supports the kind of microbial environment in which remineralization becomes way more possible. Not guaranteed, just more possible. Can teeth heal themselves? Partly and under the right conditions. Enamel that has been fully lost cannot be at this moment in time. But early stage surface damage, the kind that happens every single day through normal acid exposure, can be reversed. Your saliva is doing it right now. Whether it's doing it effectively depends on the environment you're giving it to work with. Your daily habits directly influence whether your mouth spends more time in repair or more time in decay. And that's not a small thing, that is everything. There is a link below where you can learn more about the Dental Shaman ozone water flosser. And if you have questions about anything covered here, please leave them in the comments below and I'll read them and I'll answer where I can. Take care of your teeth because they are worth it. And smile healthy, Marc.